How to add or change profile picture on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can add or change a profile picture on your Rednote application. So if you're also wondering how you can do that, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to add or change your profile picture on your Rednote application. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application, and if you're not logged in, you can just simply log in using your login credentials and you will be led to the space. After you reach to the dashboard of the Rednote, you can go ahead and look for the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will reach here. After reaching here, you're going to look up for the settings icon, this gear icon, or you can directly head over to profile by tapping on profile. And you will reach here with the different profile information of yours. And in order to add a profile picture, if you haven't added or changed, let's say, you just need to tap on this camera icon right here. And when you tap on it, you will get an option to select a picture from either your media, or you can just go ahead and click a picture at the moment from the camera and apply it. And that is it. And apply, the changes will be applied and your profile picture should be added or changed. So therefore, that is it. That is how you can change or add profile picture on Rednote app, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.